Hello and welcome to the Blender Hobbies. In this video we are going to continue with move menu. And this menu, as you guess, it is move something. For example, if you wanted to move it, you can click here, and you can move it from this one. At the same time, as a shortcut, you can press G, then X, for example. You can move it, or you can press 5, for example, 5 meters. You can see here. But G, X, 3, 4, for example, Control Z. But as you can see, it is here. There's arrows, and you can see it is global positions. If you make it local, it's local. Press G, X, 5, for example. It doesn't go here. It's depend on its local local space. You can move it with its normal. What is normal? And go to this overlays bar, and you can press here normals and face orientation, and I'm going to increase this 0.5. Sorry. And if you click this one, you can see if I click global, it's going to go here, for example, Y, Control Z. But if I make it normals, your Z is your normal points. Go Z's. You can see. In local, a change Z means you're up. But in normals, if your normals where your normals show, it is your Z point. And now you can arrange it. Press G. If you are in a view of one side, for example, in Z size, if I click press G, I can move it from Y axis. If I click Y, for example, if I press G, I can just move in Z and X, because Y axis is stable. And if I, for example, I can move it here, make it global. But if I look at this in a not orthographic, in a perspective view, if I press go for G, that means go, you move in 3 axis, X, Y, Z. The only main point is this, and move is actually very simple. Press G or Shift spacebar. I'm using G. You can move it, and you have to be careful. You are in perspective, or you are in orthographic view in a X, Y, Z, and you have to be careful about your global or local. You'll see your arrow will change, or normals. In this situation, global and normals are same, but in this situation, normals are not same. Normals and global are not same. You can see that is changing here. That's all I want to show you in this video. Subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.